This is the YETI Panga waterproof duffel, the all-weather gear fortress built to be adventure-proof. It comes in 3 sizes, 50 liter, 75 liter, or 100 liter, depending on how much gear you're hauling. This 75 liter duffel just survived a week on the river. Let's unpack it. These dry haul straps are not only ultra strong, they're also super versatile. They can be worn like a backpack or carried like a duffel. These straps feature ultra-durable HydroLok hardware. This custom-made aluminum ensures that they'll never crack or break. This metal hook is made out of the same HydroLok hardware to help close the zipper even when the bag's packed tight. This HydroLok zipper is tough, waterproof, and leak-proof. And this U-dock at the end ensures a completely airtight seal. These quick grab handles make it easy to grab and go at a moment's notice. This ThickSkin shell is completely waterproof and puncture and abrasion resistant. An EVA molded bottom provides a sturdy, waterproof landing pad. These welded TPU panels are used to prevent any of the stitching from penetrating the main shell, keeping this bag 100% waterproof and airtight. This 75 liter duffel is perfect for rafting trips. It's big enough to fit everything you need for multiple days on the water. This stowaway mesh pocket is great for keeping smaller items tucked away. Through high water and low temps, your valuables will stay bone dry with YETI's ultra-durable, fully submersible Panga duffels.